In this work, we study how to adapt JPEG XS codec parameters to different applications. JPEG XS is a low-complexity image codec that was standardized in 2019. We give a technical overview of the JPEG XS specifications with regards to its weights optimization, and describe how the weights can be optimized with the covariance matrix adaptation evolution strategy using the PyCMA open-source library. The results obtained are very promising, especially for non-conventional metrics such as semantic segmentation, where a bitrate reduction of 33 to 59% is achieved. We can optimize the quantization parameters to generate visually pleasing results using metrics such as the multiscale structural similarity index, which we optimized using images from the Wikimedia Commons featured pictures. We found that the matrix matters a lot, while content does not as much, and the largest gains are obtained with non-visual metrics such as the intersection over union in image segmentation. The paper describes the setup involved and how to generate weights for any application.